How to fix iPhone sound very low problem. In this video I'm going to show you if you have any iPhone and your speaker will be very low sound. If you're facing this problem in this video, I will tell you how you can fix this problem. First you need to open your mobile settings. Go to the mobile settings. After going to mobile settings, now you have to just scroll down and now find here sound and haptics options. Click on the sound and haptics options. First you have to you can find silent mode. If silent mode is on, then you have to just turn off the silent mode. After turn off the silent mode, now you can find here ringtone and alerts options. You can find here volume increase and decrease. You have to just increase here your volume first. Okay, now you increase your volume full, and just remember this is ringtone and alerts volume settings. Now one settings is you have to just increase, scroll here top right. Now you can see here the sound options. Here have very low, you have to just increase these volume options. So after now you have to just scroll down, and now you can see here your options. Volume limit, click on the volume limit. Limit maximum volume is show any maximum volume. Here we have to just turn off this. Go to the back. Now you have to just do this setting. After doing this setting, now you have to just go to here backside. Go to the backside, and now you have to go to the backside, and now you have to reset your iPhone. How to reset, I will tell you. First you have to like this video and subscribe the channel, Genuine Guide YouTube channel. So this is the last setting for you. What you do, see here power button, volume button up, volume button downside. Now you have to just click on the first volume up button, then click on the volume down button, then last button you have to just press and hold your power button. So let's start it. First you have to just click on the volume up, volume down, and press on the power button. Just don't leave it the power button when your iPhone will be turned off. Just click on the power button and don't leave the button. When here come the logo, you have to just lift your hand finger from the power button. Now your iPhone will be restart, and now you can see your problem will be fixed, and your iPhone volume button and your volume very increased. I hope you like this video and like this my channel. Thanks for watching Genuine Guides.